How to open snaps on Snapchat Wave. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your device or on your laptop, open up any web browser that you're comfortable with, and on the search URL, type in web.snapchat.com. After that, you will get to this interface, which is the official web page of Snapchat. Now, first of all, you have to log into Snapchat. So, on the left hand side of this screen, there is a login prompt. So, first of all, you have to either enter your username or your email address to begin with. Or you can also use your phone number here. I will log in to my Snapchat account. Once you're done, simply click on login. After that, you have to enter your password. Then click on next. If you would like to enable notifications, simply click on enable, or else you can also go with not now. And with that, you have logged into your Snapchat account in the Snapchat Wave. You can always install the Snapchat application in your desktop. In order to do so, simply click on this link provided that says click to install the desktop application. If not, you can continue on Snapchat Web. Now, in order to view the snap, you can simply head over to the chat box and then from there click on that account from where you would like to view and snap. Tap on that and then click on that snap. So this is how you can view snaps on Snapchat Web. And that's all for today's video, and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.